We all know that vitamin C is good for our immune system. The best way to take it is in fresh form from the food we eat. Check the top 20 foods with high vitamin C for your daily dose. 20. Cauliflower 73 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Raw cauliflower is 92% water, 5% carbohydrates, 2% protein, and contains negligible fat. Table. A 100-gram reference amount of raw cauliflower provides 25 calories. And has a high content of vitamin C and moderate levels of several B vitamins, and vitamin K. Contents of dietary minerals are low. 19. Papaya 82 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Papaya plants grow in 3 sexes: male, female, and hermaphrodite. The male produces only pollen, never fruit. The female produces small, inedible fruits unless pollinated. The hermaphrodite can self-pollinate since its flowers contain both male stamens and female ovaries. Almost all commercial papaya orchards contain only hermaphrodites. 18. Longan 84 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. The longan is a tropical tree species that produces edible fruit. It is one of the better-known tropical members of the soapberry family, to which the lychee, rambutan, guarana, corlin, pitomba, ganip and ackee also belong. The fruit of the longan are similar to that of the lychee, but less aromatic in taste. It is native to southern Asia. 17. Kiwi berry 92 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. The fruit is referred to as hardy kiwi fruit, kiwi berry, Arctic kiwi, baby kiwi, dessert kiwi, grape kiwi, northern kiwi, or cocktail kiwi. And are edible, berry or grape-sized fruit similar to kiwi fruit in taste and appearance, but are green, brownish, or purple with smooth skin, sometimes with a red blush. Often sweeter than the kiwi fruit, hardy kiwi fruit can be eaten whole and do not need to be peeled. Thin-walled, its exterior is smooth and leathery. 16. Fennel 93 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Fennel is a highly aromatic and flavorful herb used in cookery and, along with the similar-tasting anise, is one of the primary ingredients of absinthe. Florence fennel or finocchio is a selection with a swollen, bulb-like stem base that is used as a vegetable. 15. Cornelian cherry 100 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. When ripe, the cornelian cherry is dark ruby red or a bright yellow. It has an acidic flavor which is best described as a mixture of cranberry and sour cherry. It is mainly used for making jam, makes an excellent sauce similar to cranberry sauce when pitted, and then boiled with sugar and orange, but also can be eaten dried. 14. Gandaria, Marion plum, plum mango 100 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. The Gandaria fruit is green in color and mature to an orange, yellow, with the seed being pink. They grow to roughly 2 to 5 centimeters, 0.7 to 1.9 inches, in diameter. The entire fruit, including its skin, is edible. The fruit range from sweet to sour in flavor similar to the Alfonso mango, and have a light smell of turpentine. When ripe, the fruit is soft and has fibrous mango-like seeds. 13. Kiwi fruit 121 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Kiwi fruit is native to north-central and eastern China. As it was usually collected from the wild and consumed for medicinal purposes, the plant was rarely cultivated or bred. Cultivation of kiwi fruit spread from China in the early 20th century to New Zealand, where the first commercial plantings occurred. The fruit became popular with British and American servicemen stationed in New Zealand during World War II, and was later exported, first to Great Britain and then to California in the 1960s. 12. Green bell pepper 139 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. The green bell pepper is the unripe fruit of the red bell pepper. The bell pepper is the only member of the genus Capsicum that does not produce capsaicin, a lipophilic chemical that can cause a strong burning sensation when it comes in contact with mucous membranes. 11. Red bell pepper 140 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Bell peppers are native to Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. Pepper seeds were imported to Spain in 1493 and then spread through Europe and Asia. The mild bell pepper cultivar was developed in the 1920s, in Szeged, Hungary. 10. Parsley 166 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Parsley is widely used in European, Middle Eastern, and American cuisine. Curly leaf parsley is often used as a garnish. In Central Europe, Eastern Europe, and Southern Europe, as well as in Western Asia, many dishes are served with fresh green chopped parsley sprinkled on top. Parsley is a source of flavonoids and antioxidants, especially lutein, apigenin, folic acid, vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin A. 9. Blackcurrant 189 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Blackcurrant is native to temperate parts of Central and Northern Europe and Northern Asia, where it prefers damp fertile soils and is widely cultivated both commercially and domestically. Blackcurrants can be eaten raw but are usually cooked in a variety of sweet or savory dishes. They are used to make jams, jellies and syrups and are grown commercially for the juice market. The fruit is also used in the preparation of alcoholic beverages, and both fruit and foliage have uses in traditional medicine and the preparation of dyes. 8. Guava 270 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Guava fruits have a pronounced and typical fragrance, similar to lemon rind but less sharp. The outer skin may be rough, often with a bitter taste, or soft and sweet, varying between species. The skin can be any thickness, is usually green before maturity, but may be yellow, maroon, or green when ripe. The pulp inside may be sweet or sour and off-white, white guavas, to deep pink, red guavas. The seeds in the central pulp vary in number and hardness, depending on species. 7. Sea buckthorn 500 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Sea buckthorn is by far the most widespread of the species in the genus, with the ranges of its 8 subspecies extending from the Atlantic coasts of Europe across to northwestern Mongolia and northwestern China. Sea buckthorn berries are edible and nutritious, though astringent, sour and oily, unpleasant to eat raw. Unless blended, frosted to reduce the astringency, and/or mixed as a drink with sweeter substances such as apple or grape juice. 6. Amla, Indian gooseberry 720 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. The amla or Indian gooseberry is ripening in autumn. The berries are harvested by hand after climbing to upper branches bearing the fruits. The taste of Indian emblic is sour, bitter and astringent, and it is quite fibrous. In India, it is common to eat emblic steeped in salt water and red chili powder to make the sour fruits palatable. 5. Rose hip 1250 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Rose hips are commonly used as an herbal tea, often blended with hibiscus. And an oil is also extracted from the seeds. They can also be used to make jam, jelly, marmalade, and rose hip wine. Rose hip soup, nyponsopa, is especially popular in Sweden. Rhodamel, a type of mead, is made with rose hips. Rose hips begin to form after successful pollination of flowers in spring or early summer, and ripen in late summer through autumn. 4. Didic, Deuterium senegalense 1260 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. The Didic or Deuterium senegalense tree is of value for several reasons. It produces nutritious fruits, is locally prominent in folk medicine as a source of quality timber. It could contribute to food security, sustainable land care, and rural development. As its Linnaean name indicates, it is native to Senegal and the surrounding countries of West Africa. 3. Acerola cherry 1700 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Acerola is native to South America, southern Mexico, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Haiti, Brazil, and Central America, but is now also being grown as far north as Texas and in subtropical areas of Asia, such as India. It is known for being extremely rich in vitamin C, and also contains vitamins A, B1, B3, and B3, as well as carotenoids and bioflavonoids, which provide important nutritive value and have antioxidant uses. 2. Camu camu 2000 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. Merciaria dubia, commonly known as camu camu, is a small bushy riverside tree from the Amazon rainforest in Peru and Brazil, which grows to a height of 3 to 5 meters, 9.8 to 16.4 feet, and bears a red-purple cherry-like fruit. It is a close relative of the jabuticaba, Merciaria cauliflora, and the guavaberry or rumberry, Merciaria floribunda. As much as 2 to 3% of the fresh fruit by weight is vitamin C. 1. Goobinj, Kakadu plum 2700 mg vitamin C per 100 grams. The goobinj is a flowering plant in the family Combretaceae, native to Australia. Widespread throughout the tropical woodlands from northwestern Australia to eastern Arnhem Land. The fruit is yellow-green, about 2 cm, 0.79 in, long and 1 cm, 0.39 in.